Fins up, friends. Today we're going to check out and do a walkthrough of this Preserve View coconut. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. I know my brokerage is affiliated with LMWS, Latitude Margaritaville, and Minto Communities. Here is the walkthrough of the floor plan of a coconut. As soon as you enter, you're going to take a left to the guest quarters. This bedroom is plenty of space to have a king bed and nightstands. They've done a great job at their spacing. This also shows that you can have crown as an optional upgrade. Then immediately to your left is the guest bathroom. They chose gold hardware and blue cabinets. These are all design choices that you may choose. Notice the seamless glass shower and the tile to the top, as well as the crown. Next is going to be another bedroom. Plenty of space, and you can choose for this to be your office or even keep it as a bedroom, just whatever works for you. So you'll notice we're right here at the front door. Here's your garage, and this is the HVAC closet, just kind of up and out of the way. Now let's head into the main living space. You'll notice that they added crown throughout as a detail. Here's your laundry room. You can add these cabinets and your hardware choices to match the rest of the home or whatever you desire. And now look just how beautiful. The Coconut's kitchen is so expansive and there's so much cabinet space. You get your design choices of countertops and cabinets. You can see some that they've offered here. These beautiful pendants that they've installed. This lighting was done after closing, and they made some beautiful choices. Notice in the living room, the beams were added here, but you've got plenty of room for this big couch, and hey, here they added a fireplace as well. In the main ensuite, you've got all these windows to see what your design choice is outside. Notice the tray is standard, but they added the crown there to make it just set off beautifully. And into the ensuite, I call it a party shower just because it is so large in the coconut. But you've got all of this cabinet space. They chose this blue color for their cabinets and the gold hardware. And you get all of those choices as well. But check out that shower, right? Always with a water closet, and they upgraded their shelves in the main closet as well. Let's go check out the outdoor living space. This owner chose to extend the patio with pavers and add the screen to it. So you've basically got double the outside living space. And I'm coming around here for you to check out the idea of a preserve view. And the patio is very large. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the links there for you. And if you have any questions, you just let me know. And don't forget, I can help you buy or sell in Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Bye.